In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to block a payment on N26. Whether you're worried about a recurring debit or a suspicious transaction, N26 provides a few straightforward options to help you manage your finances securely. Let's dive right in. First up, if you need to block a direct debit, N26 makes it incredibly simple. Open your app and find the transaction in question. Once you've located it, tap on Block Direct Debit. This action stops any future charges from that specific merchant, giving you peace of mind and control over your account. It's especially useful if you've canceled a subscription, but charges are still appearing. Remember, this action only affects future debits from the same source, so any past transactions will remain unchanged. Next, let's talk about card payments. If you're looking to disable certain features for extra security, head over to the Cards tab in your app. Here, you have the flexibility to disable online payments, ATM withdrawals, or even block your card completely. This is a handy feature if you've misplaced your card or want to prevent any unauthorized use while you search for it. The great thing is you can reactivate these features just as easily once you're ready to use your card again. It's about having that extra layer of security at your fingertips. Now, if you come across an unauthorized transaction, N26 offers a direct way to address this. Use the Dispute Transaction feature in the app. This tool allows you to report any suspicious or unrecognized charges. Once you've initiated a dispute, N26 will guide you through the process to resolve the issue. It's reassuring to know that you have the support of your bank in protecting your funds against fraudulent activity. And that's it. That's how to block a payment on N26. With these simple steps, you can manage your finances confidently, knowing you have the tools to deal with unwanted charges. Whether you're blocking a direct debit, managing card settings, or disputing a transaction, N26 has got you covered. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with ease.